How to make Greek gyros. The following ingredients are required. Oregano leaves, iodized cooking salt, ground black pepper, Dijon mustard, olive oil, 8 garlic cloves, lemon, thyme leaves, ground paprika. Find a large chopping board and a sharp knife for cutting the meat. Trim some fat off the chicken, but leave some remain for nice juices. Cut the chicken so it fits onto the disc. Make sure it is not too small. It is also fine if some pieces are smaller, but they may fall off when threading onto the skewer. This piece is the perfect size for the disc. Rinse the chicken before or after cutting, preferably before cutting. Keep the water on low if washing after cutting the chicken. Washing the chicken will take off any sprays or muggy residue. Clean 8 garlic cloves. They will need to be minced later. A large bowl to make the marinade. The bowl will need to be large enough for all the chicken. Pour 150 milliliters olive oil into the bowl. Add 5 milliliters Dijon mustard. Mince 4 garlic cloves into the bowl. Add 42 grams iodized salt. Add 1 tablespoon pepper. Mix all the ingredients together. Add all the chicken into the bowl. Mix the chicken. Add oregano and continue mixing. Clean the chopping board and knife for cutting beef. Open the beef packaging. I am using boneless lamb leg. Cut the lamb into 10mm round shapes, around the same size as the disc. Add 60ml olive oil to the bowl. Add 1 teaspoon pepper. Add 1 tablespoon salt. Add 1 teaspoon paprika and 1 tablespoon thyme. Add 1 tablespoon oregano. Roll the lemon on a hard surface, then put the juice of half a lemon in the bowl. Mince 4 garlic cloves. Mix the ingredients together. Put the meat into the bowl and mix. Leave the chicken and lamb in the fridge for 4 hours or overnight. Thread the meat onto the skewer. Cook the meat on the charcoal. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.